Three main factors play a role in container selection: style, the planned location of the planter, and cost. Before we get started, two important care instructions apply to all outdoor containers. First, keep the drain hole open. This serves two purposes. It allows excess moisture to drain away from roots, preventing root rot, and it helps prevent possible container breakage in winter due to freeze-thaw cycles. Even the strongest cast stone can break due to ice expansion. Keep in mind, you may need to drill a drain hole into a planter that doesn't have one. Secondly, place your planter on a level, hard surface such as stone, brick, or concrete paver, not soil, grass, or mulch. This creates a sturdy base, keeps the planter level, and reduces the possibility of leaning or tipping over if the ground becomes soft. Additionally, placing the planter on a solid level surface can help reduce moisture buildup at the base of the planter during winter freeze-thaw cycles, which could cause cracking or chipping of the base. Let's look at some of the available options, their benefits, considerations, and additional tips for each option. First up are cast stone urns and planters. These planters are very heavy and are perfect for windy locations. Because they are so heavy, once set in place, they can be difficult to move to a new location. Cast iron planters are sturdy metal planters which will last many years. Often cast in classical shapes, such as urns, they can add a touch of sophistication to any environment. Because cast iron may rust over time, consider spraying it with a clear coat, or even spray paint in the color of your choice to protect the metal. Thick-walled ceramic planters can be kept outside during the winter. Their weight also helps with stability if planters are tall. They are available in a wide variety of color choices and finishes. As with all planters, they will last longer and are best when sited on a solid surface and the drain holes are kept clear. Fiberglass urns and planters are available in many styles and finishes which mimic stone or cast iron. They are lightweight and easy to move. Finally, lightweight plastic pots are easy to move, and heavy-duty rotationally molded plastic pots make great outdoor containers all year long. These economical planters come in a wide variety of colors, sizes, and finishes. Be aware that thin plastic pots may become brittle and crack during extreme cold weather. Additionally, you may need to drill drainage holes in the bottom of some plastic pots. Taller, lightweight planters may not be ideal for windy locations, as they can tip over and potentially crack. If installing a lightweight planter in a windy area, placing rocks or other heavy objects in the bottom of the planter can help prevent tipping. Whatever your style, environment, or budget, Heinz Brothers Greenhouse Garden Center has an outdoor planter that will work for you.